You're a lifesaver, dude.
Huh.
I told you that before.
Good morning, good morning.
Hilton.
I'm good.
The cats were up the window going. I was like, oh, he must be here.
Okay, so I'm gonna take and inspect it a little bit first because
Yeah. I forgot to tell you too. Everything was off. This is the piece that fell off. Just half of it. I got up to go to work yesterday and I connected a battery and the lights were off.
okay. All right, I'm aware of this piece. So the lights are off.
Yes, if I start it now, the lights are off.
Okay, but that's okay.
Can you
Crank,
start it?
yeah, start it up and then put your foot on the brake.
And hit the brake. I'm pressing the brake now.
Nothing.
Nothing.
So you may have a more
Leave it running.
expensive situation now.
Okay.
Let me look into it though. All right.
I guess to make sure I got it in correctly or whatever.
Got what in?
The fuses, I didn't mess with those no more.
Oh no, if they were, they are. They're most likely right. Let me just take a look, see what we got here. Which fuse did you remove?
Right here. I think I had to get the book. I think it was here. Let me get the book
Okay.
from over here. Or here it is.
Yeah. Okay.
Was down 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the stop where it says stop.
The 15 right here.
That's the one. There was this, I guess, a spare one over here. I took from over here and I put there, and I put the other one here.
Okay. Let me check that out.
See, now they're on.
They're on.
Yeah, see, they're on. And the keys are on the seat. That's all I understand.
Okay. All right. Well, let's start with the basic stuff first.
Okay.
Then I'll go from there. So that means the fuse is fine.
See, that's not crazy.
Say again?
That's crazy.
Yeah. 1 second. Okay. Just slid in a little thing. Okay. Right. Start. Hit your brakes so I can see.
Okay. Start it and hit them.
You don't have to. You just need to hit them.
Okay.
Yep. Let them go. Do it again. All right. Let them go.
So it's just that stopper?
Yep.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Cool. Thank you. How much do I owe you? $100 now? One time?
Huh?
How much do I owe you?
Just the 25.
Oh, you do? Cool. Hold on. That was quick, man.
I've been doing this a lot of years, so I got techniques.
Where was that little stopper at?
It's on. So it's on the brake pedal. Thank you. It's on the brake pedal. So when you take the brake pedal away, that stopper lets the sensor, the plunger for the sensor, go out.
Okay.
That turns on your brakes.
So,
Then when you let it go, that stopper pushes back up on it and brings it back up, and that shuts
So
the
it's
brakes.
like on a little spring thing or something, or?
No, the stopper
okay.
itself is just a rubber piece inside of the brake pedal.
Oh, okay.
That's all. That's all it is.
Dang. You're a lifesaver, dude.
Huh.
I told you that before. Thank you.
No problem at all. You have your keys?
Yeah, I got them.
All right.
Enjoy the rest.
If it goes out again, that sensor may be bad, but that's because when you pulled it up, that might have damaged. But I didn't see anything damaged.
Okay.
I didn't see where it was broken. The housing doesn't look broken, so I think you're just gonna be fine.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
You have a great day.
You too.